In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Harvard Business Review account. Signing up is simple and straightforward, providing you with access to valuable business insights and articles. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL https://hbr.org, or simply search for Harvard Business Review in your favorite search engine and click on the official site. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look toward the top right corner of the page. There, you should see the option to sign in, join. Clicking on this will give you a few options. You might see create an account or something similar, like join HBR. The exact wording might vary slightly, but the intended purpose is the same, to set up your new account. When you click to create your account, you'll be prompted to fill out a registration form. This bit is pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide your first and last name along with an email address that you check regularly. The email is important as it's how HBR will communicate any updates or necessary information with you. Additionally, you need to create a strong password. Remember to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters if possible. This will significantly enhance the security of your new account. As you progress, you'll encounter some subscription choices. Harvard Business Review typically offers a few options: a free account with certain limitations, and various paid subscriptions that grant full access to their wealth of resources. Consider how much access you need and choose the option that best fits your objectives and budget. After you've submitted your details, the next step is to head over to your email inbox. You should receive a verification mail from HBR. This step is crucial because it confirms your registration. Inside the email, you'll find a verification link. Clicking this link is essential as it activates your account, granting you access to the platform. Once your account is verified, return to the HBR website. Here, log in utilizing the email and password you just set up. After logging in successfully, congratulations, you are now part of the Harvard Business Review community. Now you're ready to explore the vast array of insightful articles, case studies, and other resources available to you. Remember, navigating the HBR site and making the most out of your subscription can greatly enhance your knowledge and understanding of business trends and strategies. Don't hesitate to explore various articles and topics that pique your interest. Thank you for tuning in, and happy reading.